Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful day in the Ozarks. It is Wednesday, November 20th at 7:41 in the morning. Welcome to my channel, Relearning to Draw After 55. And today we are drawing a stoat. And we are using the book How to Draw Woodland Animals in Simple Steps by Susie Hodge. I've got my coffee this morning, and let's get into the picture. So a stoat is a woodland creature. They're small predators. They can take on prey much larger than themselves. They're in the weasel family and are found in forests and grasslands and sometimes even snowy landscapes. I just thought it was a weasel. I didn't know the name until I looked it up in the index. But it was a fairly easy one to draw. So if you want to start out with a simple one, flip to the page with the stoat on it. It didn't take much time. I think it was like 19 minutes to get this one into looking good. So the shading on it wasn't that bad. The fur was better. I liked the feet better on this one. I'm still mostly concentrating on fur, but I still want to work on feet. So I think on some future reference drawings I might actually pull up a real picture instead of going off of someone else's drawing on the feet and see if I can get them looking a little more realistic. I'm happy with the face and shading on this one, and it to me it looks like what a weasel family critter would look like. So the tail was easy. I don't know whether it's a stoat tail or not, honestly, because never saw a stoat before, but looks like a weasel. Again, I've told you many times, if you're wanting to do something to get your mind sharp again, get your day started or end your day with, restart a hobby. Art's been my favorite. Maybe you've done quilting or crocheting in the past, or modeling. Just start something. It's really a good feeling. So here's the finished product. Hope you enjoy the stoat and have a great rest of your day.